When I think about what we've been able to accomplish over the past year, I feel really proud. We've been able to have really difficult conversations in an open, communicative, and transparent way. And I want to thank the entire community for being open to this incredible and transformative journey. I'm Becca Littman. I'm a second-year student in the Sacramento part-time MBA program at the UC Davis Graduate School of Management, and I'm a member of the Action for Diversity community group. Over the past year, I've had the honor and the privilege to be a student leader in the 21-week Anti-Racism Challenge. The 21-week challenge really arose out of a need that we had in the community for a safe and inclusive space to talk about difficult topics like systemic racism, racial equity, intersectionality, and white fragility. We knew that we needed to create a foundational curriculum and think about how we could all move forward together in being actively anti-racist. Daria Costello and I worked closely together to adapt a curriculum that had been used at UCSD that was based on concepts and learnings from Dr. Eddie Moore Jr., a racial activist and thought leader. So we came together once a week for 21 weeks to talk about, discuss, reflect, and share openly about issues of racial equity and anti-Black racism. So over the past year, I've been referring to myself sometimes as something of a reluctant activist. To me, being a reluctant activist means that it's something that I might not always feel comfortable with, but it's something that I know is necessary. After George Floyd was murdered, I knew that I could no longer stay silent, that silence was really to be complicit. And as a member of several minoritized and marginalized groups, I had thought that it was better and safer to stay silent. But as the past year has shown us, it is so essential for those of us who can to come together and share our voices. When I think of this work, it's challenging. And I know that moving forward, we'll continue to challenge each other in this anti-racism work.